everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Yeah, so as you can see, this is just me showing one of the things I love to do. I love cooking, and yeah, this is one of the delicacies in Africa that is so paramount to live in. If you're a Nigerian or if you're an Africanese, in course, you understand what meal is. So this is yam, as it's fondly called in Nigeria. That's not what it's called in other parts of the world, but yeah, in Nigeria it's called yam. So I'm trying to make yam and fried egg. So I peel the yam. After peeling it, I wash it off, and it's time to cook the yam. So just washing it and arranging it properly in my pot, just to have that, neat atmosphere for the yam to thrive in the pot, right? So after that, then I will actually go on to prep my veggies. But before that, I'll boil the yam for at least 20 minutes on medium heat, because you actually want it to be soft and tender. It's time to cut my veggies, so I'm cutting my onions. So this is a Roma tomato. I'm cutting my tomatoes. I love red tomatoes. I love red. I don't know, it's like a therapy for me to just see my tomatoes red. So that's why I'm having like this red tomato. And I chop up my onions. I love onions too. Most importantly, I use white onions because my husband doesn't really like to see onions in his food. So, but for me, I love onions. So most times I cook with this white onions. So that's even if I cook, everything will just zap it. And yeah, this is habanero pepper just for a bit of heat. If you try this combination, you will never regret this. You will thank me for this recipe. This is how I've always loved to do this. So I chop up the tomato, the onions, the habanero pepper, and if you like more veggies, you can add any other veggies of your choice. But this is actually what I love. The combination of these three is divine. It's divine. So that's it. Then I go on to frying. I fry my veggies. As you can see, I start with the onions, just a bit of vegetable oil, but most times I use canola oil. So in this video, I'm using canola oil. A lot of people use veggies. You can use sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I basically use canola oil for my cooking. Sometimes I do sunflower. Most times I do canola oil. And so, your onions in your oil, and most importantly, you fry that. So just saute it for a while you add your other veggies. That's my habanero pepper for the heat, and I'm just gonna pour all this right into, and that's my tomatoes. Oh wow, I love this. The color alone is soothing. Soothing. So I just ensure I saute it so much. Then this is one trick I do to infuse the aroma into my eggs. I lift up as you can see, I lift up the veggies, the fried veggies, and I lift them. I put them in my already cracked egg and whipped. So I whip the egg, I put the veggies inside the egg. By this, I get the infusion of all the aroma and everything. And I've added my seasoning. I use my seasoning. I put a bit of salt, everything combined together just to have that infusion inside the egg. This is so good. So just like this, I just pour them back into the pan and just fry on medium heat. On very, 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 very low speed, so I just do this and let it rest for a bit. No pressure. Take your time. All right, so and by doing this I just try to mix it together just a bit to have that infusion coming together. And another thing is I don't use a lot of oil, so I just ensure that the oil that has been mixed inside the mixture just comes together and do the work, right? So just see how I do it. Of course, then I lift it up, I flip it just to have every side coated. Yeah, and by this I have my perfectly fried egg to go with my yam. I mean, this is so good. Try this, or have you tried it before? Do you do yours like this? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, enjoy. Just like that. So sometimes I just like to leave it a bit just to make it cook a little more, and just don't you like this juiciness? Hey. Ooh. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's the end. Yeah, that's the thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.